How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a car or truck where the brake lights stay on and over the span of a day or a night it drains your battery, come out in the morning and won't start? Well, in this video I'm going to show you one small part that can fix all your problems. Here we go. So you find your relays, you find your brake light relay, you change that, problem's still there. Well, it must be the brake light switch, right? So you order a new one, stick that in, same problem. Well, if you look closely on your linkage, that black part is your brake pedal, the silver is the bracket for the brake light switch. You can see the rubber disc there. You look at it, okay, yeah, it's pressing the switch in and out. Must be a faulty switch, right? Not necessarily. You look at that black pad close enough. You look at close enough, you can see there's a hole in it. And when that pedal comes up, that brake light switch is going right into the hole. It's not even pressing the switch. So the next thing you want to do, grab a trim tool or a small screwdriver or something and pry that black rubber pad out. Once you get underneath it and pry it out, you can look closely at it and you can see what I'm talking about. That rubber pad is worn all the way in there. So when you press your brake pedal and release it, it's not even pushing up on the switch anymore. So once you get your replacement pad from the parts place, you'll find everything works just the way it should. And now your brake lights go out when they should, and you don't have to worry about coming out in the morning and having to jump start your vehicle all the time. And while I'm at it, might as well change this reflector that got painted over. Well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos with tips like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and keep wrenching.